Today is the seasonal opening of the Garden Gate Plant Shop at Green Spring Gardens, and we're open daily now from April until the end of October, from 9 o'clock until 4:30 in the afternoons, and on Sundays we're open noon until 4:30. The Garden Gate Plant Shop is supported by the Friends of Green Spring, which is our friends group. So every time a client comes in and makes a purchase here at the plant shop, proceeds from that purchase go to Green Spring Gardens. Come to Green Spring Gardens Park and you'll see a beautiful variety of plants growing in our gardens. And these are plants that you may be able to find. There's a good chance you'll be able to find them here in the Garden Gate Plant Shop, and you can take home a little piece of Green Spring by purchasing one of the plants here in the shop.
Green Spring Gardens is Fairfax County's only horticultural park. We hold plant clinics every Saturday morning during the season. One of the things that we're most interested in is to make sure that people feel good about gardening. They will oftentimes bring in samples of problems that they have, or they have a plant in their garden and they have no idea what it is. You know, they have a problem with insects. We're here for free advice to anyone that comes in, and we have a lot of information to give them, a lot of reference material to offer to them, a number of websites that we suggest. We're here to help them in any way that we can.